Let's start with a question. Suppose that a bank offers you a 5% annual rate of return. You want to have $126 at the end of the year. How much money do you need to deposit today? Clearly, this problem is very similar to the previous one. The difference here is that you know both the future value you want to achieve and the rate of return, and all you need to figure out is the amount of money to deposit today. We can use the future value formula to solve this problem. Here is the formula. We replace the future value with 126, the rate of return with 5%, the number of periods with 1, and solve for the present value. Rearranging this equation and solving leads to a present value of 120. As I mentioned before, the answer to this question is called the present value. That is, $120 today is the present value of $126 next year. In a sense, these two amounts, $120 today and $126 next year, have the same value to you because you can always take the $120 today, deposit them for 1 year at 5%, and obtain $126 next year. You should really be indifferent between these two quantities. Hence, they have the same value to you. You might have heard the expression $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow. This is illustrated in our example. $120 today are equivalent to $126 next year. That is, dollars today are more valuable. Another way to see this is that $1 today can be invested and will yield more than $1 tomorrow. The concept of present value is extremely important in finance. Here is the general formula for the present value of an amount, let's call it FB, to be received T periods from now when the rate of return per period is R. The process of computing the present value of a future cash flow is called discounting, and the rate of return used for discounting is called the discount rate. In this example, we discounted 126 to the present using a discount rate of 5%. Next, let's see how to use the present value formula to value a firm.